Hello friends, welcome to Photoshop Tips and Tricks. Let me show you how to realistic change a logo in perspective in Photoshop. At first select Object Selection tool from the toolbar. Select Lasso mode. Draw and select your object in the scene. OK, it's selected. Select Pen tool, and zoom in to draw a path selection. Right-click, and make selection. Choose Subtract from Selection, click OK. Now press Ctrl J to make a copy. Name it Coffee Cup. Disable the main layer. Select this layer. Select Magic Wand tool. Zoom in the scene. Select the color you want to remove. Check the continuous, and select all colors that are the same. These are added, we must deselect. Select Lasso tool, click and drag by holding Alt to subtract these part of selection. OK, it looks better. Go to Select, Modify, and Expand. Expand by 4. Click OK. Go to Edit, and choose Fill. Select Content Aware from the list. Click OK. OK, completely removed. Enable this layer. Go to File, Open, and choose your second logo. Select Move tool, then click and drag to the first image. Press Ctrl T to transform and scale. Change the mode to multiply. It looks good. Go to File, Open, and choose the background pattern. Click and drag to the first image. Press Ctrl T, adjust the size and position that matches the cup size. Bring down the layer. Right-click, and create clipping mask. Change the mode to Overlay. Also right-click on this layer and create clipping mask. OK, now it is done. I hope you liked it. If it was useful for you, please follow for more educational and effective videos. Thanks for watching.